power source again, and I'm just here to tell you about the basics of how a system takes in the power and keeps the critical loads that you want to back up powered in the event of an outage. Typically, in every home or business, you're going to have the utility pole that's bringing the power into your home. Or business. As soon as it gets to your home or business, it's going to feed a main breaker panel. Once it hits the main breaker panel, it goes out to feed your electronics throughout the house. What we do here is the system, every BPS system has an in and an out on it. And what we do in our systems is you take a breaker from the main and you feed your BPS system's input. Then you take loads out of that main panel and you put them into a sub-panel where only the loads that you want to keep running are going to be placed. The output of your BPS system is going to feed to that sub-panel. When the grid is present, it's going to pass into your main breaker panel, into the system's input, and then be fed out through the sub-panel. And it's just passing through. But when the grid fails, only things on that output will continue to run. For some of our customers that have other power sources like wind, solar, or hydropower, we take it a step further. In a scenario like that, the solar panels or the wind turbine are going to feed a device called a charge controller. The charge controller is basically the gatekeeper to make sure that we don't overcharge the batteries. Once it hits the batteries, this inverts the direct current of the batteries, wind or solar, into alternating current like we use in our homes. But in that type of a situation, it is prioritizing keeping the batteries full. But the in that situation can actually become an out and sell back power to your power company. So it's kind of like a generator, except it's actually reducing your power bill every month and using a renewable energy resource to supply that power.